All right, if you're having issues with Logitech speakers playing sound or outputting anything in general, um, then you've come to the right place. I know the fix. So, to basically give you an idea of what you might be encountering, when you go to your sound settings to change your speakers, no matter how many times you update, no matter how many times you reboot, whenever you select your speakers, the ones for your Logitech speakers in Linux, it won't work. You have to go to your terminal and go to ALSA Mixer, just like that. And then you have to do F6 to access the sound card. And then you go down to whatever sound card's having the issue. For me, it's HD Audio Generic. That's what's in the back of my computer. And then you have to go all the way to the right. And you'll find that the audio settings have it set to mute automatically. By default, for some unholy reason, the Logitech speakers are muted by default. You just have to disable it. And then suddenly everything is fine. Music begins playing, YouTube videos begin playing, and it's wonderful. I don't know why this is the case. If anybody has any idea, please let me know in the comments because I would love to know why this happens. But I've only ran into the issue on Logitech speakers on Linux Mint, Zorin 16, and Zorin 17. I'm currently on 17, but if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and yeah, take care.